Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at another robotic vacuum. That's right, this here is the Robot Vacuum Cleaner G50E, and if you're in the market for one, you're probably watching this video. So together we've seen exactly what it's all about, how it works, and what it can do. Now this was made by a company called SmartAI, so if you guys wanted your own, be sure to check out the link down below. So in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it, trying it out, and see exactly what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this here is our packaging. Literally, this is how it comes. Not too special in terms of the packaging goes. Kind of gives you a quick little preview about what it looks like. Almost like a diagram setup. Alright, so it says Smart AI, simply, smarter, reliably, intelligent. Now, this features a 2600 PA, 2 hours of battery life, 510 ml dust bin, so to collect the dust. It's got a less than -65 decibel volume, so it's not too loud. Has an automatic docking capability, schedule clean, app, and remote control. Now, this here will be allow us to go ahead and connect to it via the app. You get a user manual here, kind of giving you a quick little debrief about how to go ahead and set this up. So in terms of contents, this here is everything that you get. First off, you get your robotic vacuum. Has a very nice looking feel to it. White and black, and you got a little bit of a red accents there for the dusters. You have your dust bin collector right here in the front, so just go and pop that out and dump the dust. Plug it back in and you're ready to go. You do have your spindle right over here, so what you can do is just pop that out by simply hitting these two clips right here, and this will open it up, and then from there you can go ahead and remove this and then just manually clean it if you need to. Now you do have your active suspension for your left and right side here, so you can go ahead and go over different bumps or variation of different things. Looks like we do have some sensors here at the front. This will go ahead and help it determine if there's a wall. You do have a bump sensor too, so if it does hit the wall, it'll kind of push like that. So it can go ahead and determine where the home base station is, which is this guy right over here. So just go ahead and plug this to any wall outlet, which is this plug right here. It does come with some universal outlets. You have your on button right over here, and it does come with a remote. So this remote here will allow us to control it manually, but it also has an app control basis system too, so you can control it via an app. You do have your on-off button here as well, so there's physically a on-off switch. So I haven't seen that before, so go ahead and turn that on. You got a boot up sound, sounds really nice. All right, and the clean button is flashing blue. If I hit this, it should automatically turn on. All right, there we go. Whoa! All right, yes. Yeah, we're taking a break because we're right now on a table, and we don't need to clean this table just yet. So let's go ahead and take it down and see what it can do. All right, so we're all set and ready to go. I just went ahead and plugged it to the wall here. Now, the moment you put it on charge, it makes a noise like this. Charging. Telling you that it's charging. Then there's a button that says clean that's almost highlighted in blue. I press that once. All right, let's see what this thing does. All right, it's got some speed to it. Oh, look at it go. So it does have a push sensor. You can see that working in place. So once it hit the wall there, or the corner, it went ahead and turned around. Okay, so you can see the sensor there. And it appears that it's just going to keep going back and forth, back and forth. All right, so it looks like it's just kind of doing its own thing here. I'm not sure what kind of algorithm it's running, but it seems to be like purposely stopping in different areas. If I catch it right here, and then I hit the clean button again. So it's supposed to go back to its charger now. So let's see if that works. So it looks like it's headed towards the right direction to go back to charge. All right, looks like it found its home station. All right, sweet, so that worked out well. Perfect. All right, so up next, we're gonna go ahead and connect to it. So we're gonna click on Smart AI. So this here is an app, so you can go ahead and create a quick account here. All right, and then we're gonna click on Add Device. Looks like it already picked it up. So click on Go to Add. Okay, so we are officially connected via Bluetooth and it's connected to our Wi-Fi. We can rename it, but let's go and click Done for now. And this here is our main hub. So this is really nice. So you have your on off, you have auto mode, you have edge mode, spiral mode, spot mode, manual mode, and then you can go ahead and even do a schedule too, where you can create your own scheduling. All right, so in terms of settings, you have a few different modes. You have an auto mode. So this robot vacuum will kind of do its own thing automatically based on its own personal settings. You also have an edge mode, which will kind of do the edges. You have a spiral mode where it'll kind of do a rotational advance and just kind of keep cleaning in that kind of way. You have a specific spot, and then of course you have manual control. So for manual control, I can control it manually as if it's like an RC. Isn't that something? So that's kind of fun too, where you can go ahead and play around with it and control it manually. And it's kind of nice that it does give you that functionality. Besides that, you have your schedule mode, you have a map mode. So what it does is it kind of scans about and creates a map, which you can go ahead and adjust. And then of course it has a charge button, which will go ahead and return back to its charger. Another nice thing to note is it does have a remote, so you can go ahead and control it this way too. You can go ahead and turn it. You can rotate it. You can make it go forward. So you can essentially have a control as the remote control goes. You do have different modes. So you have a spiral mode. So let's start going in circles. And essentially everything that's in the app there, you do have it right here at the palm of your hands. So overall, it's actually really cool. So you can see like there's connect mode, home button for charging, the pause button, you have the directional panels. Then you have the different variations of modes that you can go ahead and use, from like spiral to edge, stuff like that, and an auto mode. So really cool stuff and easy to use. So overall, pretty cool stuff and an interesting using product. Now, obviously this here is more of a budget kind of vacuum cleaner compared to some of the other ones that we've seen. However, it does do the job, and it is exactly what it sounds like. It's a robotic vacuum. Now, it does come with all the bells and whistles that you'd get in more of the higher priced ones. So it is a quite nice touch, and I have to say they did a great job in terms of the quality. Once you're done using it, just go ahead and press this button here, take out the dust tray and just toss it, and you're ready to go. Now with that said, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.